with Pat English. Learn English.
Hello everyone. Today we will learn about water cycle. In this picture you can see sun, right? When sun gets hot due to heat, water from seas, oceans, rivers, dams, wells, and on ground and different places wherever water is there. It gets evaporated, means it goes away and it goes up to the sky in the form of vapors. Vapors vapors, that is in the form of gas. It is called as evaporation. Evaporation. Okay. Where does this water go? Where do these vapors go? They go and get collected in the clouds in the form of clouds. Now these vapors, they are hot, right? When they go up in the cloud, they cool down. They turn cold over there, and when they are cooled, then these vapors they change into water. When these clouds they are cold, then these vapors they turn into water. This process of water changing from vapors to water is called condensation. 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 And when these clouds they turn heavy, then they break down in the form of rain, snow. Okay, and these water droplets of rain, this process is called precipitation. 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 And then this rain water comes back to the land, rivers, oceans, seas, dams, wells, and different places on the land. It is called collection because this water is collected over here for a long time. Again, this water gets evaporated due to sun heat. Again, these vapors go up to the clouds. They cool down, turn into water. That is, these vapors they cool down and form water. Again, these water droplets come down in the form of rain. This is precipitation. That means these raindrops again after precipitation come down to collection. That means on land, seas, oceans, rivers, dams, and different places. This process goes on of collection, evaporation, condensation, precipitation, again collection. And this goes on, this is water cycle.